Despite these increases, families are not being asked to cancel Thanksgiving celebrations this year due to the success of the vaccines.
Health officials say fully vaccinated families should feel comfortable getting together this holiday season. With a few protective measures, folks at high risk are still urged to mask up and keep the home well ventilated. Add one more tool, testing. As THV11's Frederick Price shows us, some pharmacies are seeing increased sales of rapid at-home test kits.
For a lot of people, being safe at the dinner table on Thanksgiving Day is so important this year. The pharmacists that I spoke with today say while it is a bit last minute, these at-home COVID-19 tests could add some reassurance.
I miss my family a lot, so this time I decided to go back to my country.
Richie Patel is packing her bags and going to India to be with her family, something she wasn't able to do last year. Before she gets to the airport, she says she needed to make sure she isn't contributing to the spread of this vicious virus.
It's important. I don't want my family to be sick because some of them are older than 50.
Like Patel, millions of Americans are expected to be at home and face-to-face on Thanksgiving Day. Jenny Wells with the pharmacy at Wellington says as a result of that, they've seen an uptick in people looking to self-test.
We are selling a lot more at-home COVID tests. It's a great, convenient, quick way to screen before your Thanksgiving dinner.
But she adds that the at-home tests are not 100% accurate, and if you have serious symptoms, you may need to get checked out professionally.
If you have 2 negative tests in a row and you know for a fact that you've been exposed or you are very sick, it would be very good to follow up with either an antigen or a PCR test.
Ann Pace is the owner of Kavanaugh Pharmacy, and she says it might be too late for a rapid antigen or PCR test in time for Thanksgiving.
If you're concerned about it, make sure to wear a mask, stay a little bit away from maybe older, high-risk family members.
But if you do buy a do-it-yourself test, she adds that it's important to carefully follow the instructions to get a good answer.
If people aren't swabbing their nose appropriately, getting far enough back in the nostril to make sure that they are getting any possible virus that is there, it's not going to be very effective.
In Little Rock, Frederick Price, THV 11 News.
Now, these at-home tests cost as low as $20 for a 2-pack. You can get them at your local pharmacy. Results take about 15 minutes or so. Or if you want a free test, you can get that done at your county health unit.